In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on dark mode on Facebook on iPhone. So if you're using an iPhone and you want to enable the Facebook dark mode feature, here's a video for you. So there are two ways to enable dark mode on Facebook on your iPhone. You can use the system settings or turn on the Facebook application dark mode by default. Now, I'm going to show you the two methods in this video. Now, to turn on dark mode on the Facebook application, you first need to open the Facebook application. Click on the menu icon at the bottom right. Now, tap on the settings icon at the top right. You'll be taken to the settings and privacy on your Facebook application. You just need to scroll down to preferences. Under preferences, you need to click on dark mode. So once you hit dark mode, there are three options available here. The first option is to turn on dark mode, to turn off dark mode, and to use system settings to automatically turn off and turn on dark mode on your iPhone. Now, if you tap turn on dark mode, you should see the Facebook application turned on dark mode by default. And if you choose system, this will adjust your appearance based on your device system settings. So if you already turned on dark mode for a particular time on your iPhone, this feature will automatically enable on the Facebook application whenever the system is turned on your iPhone. So that's all you need to do to turn on dark mode on your iPhone. So guys, if this video is helpful, you want to hit the like button because you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quality videos just like this.